When the world went from standard PCNL to mini PCNL, there was a need to have even smaller scope, because in the kidney, the lower part of the kidney particularly, to get the small stones out was a challenge. The external lithotripsy will not give good results. The flexible scopy was technically challenging and demanding and expensive. So there was an invention of ultra mini PCNL, which was giving us very small size of scope, small size of sheath, and was having advantage of getting the stones out. Ultra mini PCNL works for like 8 to 18 millimeter size stones, which are mainly situated in the lower calyx of the kidney. We are putting a small size sheath, like this is 11 French sheath, this is like 13 French sheath. So with this small sheath, we go in and use the smallest size of the endoscope available for PCNL surgery. That is this small 1 millimeter size ultra mini scope. So with this ultra mini set, we go in, same like PCNL surgery, we fragment the stone with holmium laser and we flush the stone out from the external channel. So this outer sheath is having a channel which opens up at the tip. So when the saline is flushed through this outer sheath channel, the saline will make a whirlpool effect in the kidney that will make the stone out through the main channel spontaneously. So there is a separate channel going inside this. So you can see two holes, one big hole and there is one small hole of that flushing channel. The advantages of ultra mini PCNL, because of the small sheath size, it gives less chance of bleeding, less chance of pain, early postoperative convalescence, and we can discharge the patient almost same day or next day. The stones can be removed from the flushing of the channel or by the forceps or by the Dormier basket. One more advantage is that we may not have to put any tube inside the kidney from outside or from an inside. There is no tube placement in most of the cases. With ultra mini PCNL, some difficulties are there, that the treatment time may be little longer than expected because the sheath size is small. So to retrieve the stones, we have to fragment the stone into real small pieces. Another thing is, if these stones, the small fragments, goes migrated into the different part of the kidney, that may not be retrieved or removed on the same sitting, that either have to pass through the natural passage of the ureter.